Hey, what's up, y'all? One of my previous videos, my truck had a problem with the speedometer bouncing around, and it was a VSS sensor, but it was because the pinion nut was only finger tight, and it chewed up that sensor. And let's see here, that is the end result. Those are pieces of my ring and pinion, which totally sucks. So anyways, truck shit the bed. Luckily, a buddy of mine was nice enough to let me borrow his expedition here, so I can make Hogwaller Super Bog, which is cool because now, oh shit, now I can camp in there. So now I can camp in there. I got a sleeping bag, all that shit set up. I'll be out there all weekend. Yeah, this whole thing fucking shit the bed. Definitely not good. That'll be expensive. Unless I just go to the junkyard and buy another one, but I don't plan on that. Anyways, I'm about to head out to Hogwaller. See y'all out there. Hopefully. I should have a shit ton of videos coming up throughout the next couple weeks too. I'm gonna be out there all weekend. Yeah, keep an eye out for my high lifter.